If you grew up playing quapena, you already know the mechanics of a powerful throw. Step back, plant your foot, and whip your arm forward. That exact throwing motion is the foundation of handball. It's a fast-paced team sport that takes the court speed of basketball, the precise passing of netball, and the goal-scoring drive of football, and puts them all into one game. And you don't need synthetic leather balls or expensive metal goalposts to play. Any flat field or school compound can become a court. Today, we are going to build our own standard size equipment using local materials and use it to master the game's ultimate offensive move, the three-step jump shot. Becoming a great attacker comes down to mastering your body's rhythm and technique, regardless of what gear you have in your hands. We start by gathering natural, local materials, specifically dry banana fibers, known as bai, and some strong sizzle string. By tightly wrapping the dry banana fibers into a sphere and securely binding them with the sisal or polyethylene, you create a durable ball with an excellent grip. The critical part of this process is getting the volume exactly right. You must construct the ball so it fits comfortably within the palm of one single hand. If you try to throw a fully inflated size 5 football with one hand, your fingers can't wrap around the edges, and the ball slips out. A smaller, properly sized fiber ball allows your fingers to lock firmly onto the surface. That strict, one-handed grip gives you complete control over the object, allowing you to generate maximum forward power and accuracy when you throw. Passing is the fastest way to move that ball up the court. Because passes arrive at high speeds, safely securing the catch is the first step of any successful attack. To do this safely, always form a W shape with your hands. Keep your thumbs together and your index fingers angled outward. This creates a secure physical trap that the ball cannot pass through. As the ball hits the trap, give with the ball. Pull your arms toward your chest to absorb the kinetic energy of the throw. Keeping your arms perfectly stiff leads to jammed finger joints. By absorbing the shock, you protect your hands and keep the ball from bouncing away to the opposing team. Once you catch the ball, handball has strict rules about how you move. An attacker can hold the ball for a maximum of 3 seconds and take a maximum of 3 steps. You need to hardwire a specific rhythm into your muscle memory. The required sequence is catch the ball, take step 1, step 2, step 3, and then freeze. This animated diagram tracks the correct sequence. Beginners naturally want to keep running, but if you take a 4th step while holding the ball, the referee will blow the whistle and call a traveling foul. To fix this, practice with a partner and clap the rhythm out loud. 1, 2, 3, stop. This audio cue forces your feet to obey the rule. Those 3 exact steps are all you get. Mastering that quick burst of footwork allows you to build the forward momentum required for a powerful shot at the goal. You take that momentum and channel it into the jump shot. This offensive move bypasses tall defenders by taking the attack up into the air. To do this, you have to navigate the D zone, or goal area. This is the semicircle right in front of the net. Only the defending goalkeeper is legally allowed to have their feet on the ground inside this zone. First, secure the ball and plant your foot on the D zone line. Next, drive your knee upward to gain height and release the ball mid-air. Finally, land safely inside the D zone only after the ball has completely left your hand. The jump shot weaponizes the strict D zone rule, turning a grounded boundary line into a physical launching pad for an aerial strike. Now you put the mechanics together into one continuous sequence. Secure the ball with a one-handed grip and catch passes with shock-absorbing arms. Count exactly 3 driving steps and release your throw before gravity pulls you back down. All you have to do is gather your classmates, find a flat patch of grass, and use some ash or sticks to carve out a penalty line and a D zone. Step outside, mark your lines, and start clapping out that 3-step rhythm with your friends. Athletic mastery relies on clear mechanics, teamwork, and resourcefulness. By building your own equipment and mastering the footwork, anyone can learn to score.